So I get a lot of questions on weed control, and weed control begins with obviously starting with no weeds, pulling them all out. And there's no real secret to that. But maintenance of those weeds is about cultivating. We're using a flame weeder when there's no crop, but when there is a crop, you need to cultivate in between the rows, and the only way to do that is with straight rows. Straight rows are incredibly important. So for direct seeding, I'm just gonna seed it, very straight so that we can run a cultivator very quickly back and forth amongst the rows. But if it's hand transplanted, right, like this lettuce, right, which is gonna get cultivated probably tomorrow, it's so important that it's straight and that things are evenly spaced, right? I want all of the lettuce to be exactly the same so I can come across and just go back and forth in between each plant with the same head and not be ripping plants out, right? And the straighter the rows are, the better that is. Look, straight rows is also great for production. Each lettuce head will grow to the same size, they'll grow evenly. But for weed control, it's very difficult to cultivate and cultivate fast if things aren't straight.